Hello, fashion people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn how to pedal a manual machine. This is also a kind of manual machine, but this one plays the role of manual and can also be used for electrical means. Like if you don't want to use the manual, if you don't want to pedal or there's power supply, with the help of these foot and an engine connected, the motor is called motor connected, and with a manual rope, there's a manual rope that works with the neck. So all you need to do is take your leg away from the pedal the machine and place it here. But today what we are going to be learning is how to pedal a manual machine. Because I'm showing you this with this kind of machine, it also work with every kind of machine you want to pedal, whether a blackhead machine, which is the most common manual type of machine. So once you just know how to pedal, you can use this knowledge to try and pedal all kinds of machine. And when pedaling a machine, your hands and leg are needed. In hands in the sense that you use your hand to start the controlling, then use your leg to continue. It is a two-place means of making the manual machine work. We have the lower part in which our leg will continue the driving, but our hand is here and we continue to pedal with the lower wheel. So in starting in pedaling a manual machine, you roll from the upper part, this machine part, and you continue with your leg. And also, when pedaling a manual machine, you make sure this wheel faces you. If you want to start it, you roll it to face you, not otherwise. You roll it like this to face you. You roll it like as if you are making it to face you. Then you continue with your leg. If when you are pedaling, especially for beginners, and you roll it against, it goes to the other side instead of it facing you. You are pedaling in the wrong way. You make sure this way when you want to start it, you roll to make it face you and you continue with your leg. So this is the right way. This will make the clothes move forward. As you are sewing, the clothes will be going forward. While this will look like as if it's going backward. That's the right way to pedal a machine.